Ngayong taon, ating bibigyang pansin ang dalawang natatanging mag-aaral ng ika-12 baitang mula sa strand na Siyensya, Teknolohiya, Inhenyeria at Matematika. Walang iba kundi sina Maria Gray Alexis B. Calderon at J. Luis E. Prado na parehong nagkamit ng may mataas na karangalan.
Back to the classroom, the laughter, the late night coming, the dreams we whispered when no one was listening.
And what if we could fast forward to the future, what we all once imagined, to the lives we're meant to live, to the people we're destined to become.
Today, we open that window, no, not to predict the future, but to dream it together.
Because this isn't just a prophecy. This is our story, written with courage, friendship, and ambition.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Maria Gail Alexis B. Calderon.
And I'm J. Luis E. Prado.
And this is the Class Prophecy of Batch 2025. Buckle up, the future is calling. It was a Saturday morning when I woke up, standing from my bed with my usual crazy morning hair. I stretched a little, walked towards the wall, and stared at the photo frame hanging there. It was my graduation picture. I couldn't help but smile. Ang bilis ng panahon, I whispered to myself. From that young dreamer in high school, I am now here in Makati, living independently, working for one of the top accounting firms in the country. I still remember the day I became a board top-notcher, certified public accountant. The recognition, the 6-digit salary, and the proud look on my parents' faces when I built them a house. It was everything I prayed for. Bigla akong natauhan. May lakad na pala kami ng BFF kong si Princess Angel M. Tendilia. Isa na ring certified public accountant at parehong kumpanya rin kami nag-work. She lives just a few doors away from me, and she's been my rock since high school. She is the kind of friend who celebrates your wins, like they are hers. Sa bawat promotion ko, halos siya pa ang una umiiyak sa tuwa. Today, we're off to the airport. May long-awaited trip kami with our high school barkada. On our way, napatingin kami sa isang malaking billboard sa EDSA. Agad kaming natuwa at napahanga. Si Jefferson Mendoza Palayo, now one of the known male models in the country. From school events to fashion runaways, he conquered the modeling world with his hard work and perseverance. Habang nakatingala kami sa billboard ni Jefferson, napansin namin sa ibaba ang isang signage na ang nakalagay, Dr. Lizelle Moreno, Dental Clinic. Oo, si Lizelle. May sarili na siyang clinic. Tahimik noon, ngayon, certified UT expert na. Pagdating sa airport, a sleek white car pulled up. Bumaba si Miss Christina Oson at si Miss Angela Sansagan, both glowing with confidence and elegance. They now own one of the most successful Filipino fusion restaurants here in the country. Kasama nila ang nag-iisang prinsipe na si Nurse James Paulo Tenepere na kahit laging napapakawin ko, ngayon ay isa ng gentle at compassionate nurse. Nakaka-proud makita kung paano sila lumaki nagbago. Kasunod, dumating ang iconic pink car na alam mo na agad kung sino. Siya si Nurse Donna May B. Bernal, our ever-stylish nurse. Stepped out with her best friend, civil engineer John Rodan Aguilar. Naka-corporate attire pa sila kahit aalis. Sa totoo lang, parang silang cover models ng magazine. Since may oras pa kami bago ang flight, we stopped by Christina and Angela's resto sa airport. It was packed with travelers. No wonder dahil lahat ng pagkain ay insta-worthy at sobrang sarap. Katabi nito ang cafe Miss April Tulagan na ngayon ay may chains na all over the Philippines. Bigla ka na lang mapapaisip kung paano nila ngayon sa sobrang galit. While waiting, a familiar tall girl with soft features approached us. And it was flight attendant Aliana Namoka. Kahit pagod sa biyahe, booming pa rin. She had just landed from Tokyo flight but made time for us to go to Hong Kong. As we were walking towards the boarding gate, we spotted two familiar faces. And they were Engineer Alexis B. Aquino and Engineer Born Jabenlek Malong. Suot nila ang uniform ng mga aeronautical engineers. Kasama nila ang mga bagong uwi na sila Chief Engineer Stephenson J. Ortega, Chief Mate Rayburn de los Santos, Chief Mate Roberto N. Aitem, and Manny S. Gabayno. Fresh out from their 9-month contract sa barko, their stories of traveling the world while building their careers are just inspiring. Pagsakay sa aeroplano, ay nagip din ng mata ko si Mr. Cedric Daryl Tandok. In full Air Force uniform, he nodded at me and smiled. "Training abroad," he said. Napatulala ako sandali. Iba na talaga ang batch natin. Not far from us were three first businesswomen. It was Miss Shane Rizal D. Aldovino, Miss Donna Icansino, and Miss Jamela Tico. They were talking about a business meeting in Singapore. Sila nga pala ang may-ari ng sikat na luxury jewelry brand sa Pilipinas. Alongside them was powerful CEO of a known clothing brand, si Miss Yana Ezequiel Tamesa, arm in arm with her partner, SPO4 John Cedric Fernandez. Power couples in senior high school. Natatandaan ko pa kung paano sila maglakad sa hallway na naka-holding hands pa. Nakakatuwa. After the flight, landing in Hong Kong felt so real. Our flight attendant, none other than our former SSLV president, Miss Crystal Lazaro. Her voice still commanding and reassuring, just like before. Joining her were flight attendant Dianzen P. Johnson and flight attendant Athena Guillermo. Both serving with drinks at 30,000 feet. Paglabas ng airport, andoon ang mga medical trio na sila medical technologist Meryl Rose Tabola at Irish Auxiliaries. At ang nag-iisang doktora ng aming grupo, Miss Megan D. Lazaro, isang magaling na physician. They had taken their talents to Hong Kong's leading hospital. Kaya pala dito ang lakad para makasama sila. We stopped at a well-known Japanese resto, and guess who we bumped into? Architect Eliza Dizoma and registered dietitian nutritionist Liam A. Luna. Classy and driven, they said they had just visited our high school classmates. Si Nurse Samantha Nicole R. Aliado, Nurse Angel D. Ferrer, and Nurse Mary Jane C. Umayam, now working at a top hospital in Hong Kong. It's like a reunion halfway across the world. Later that evening, pagdating sa hotel, may familiar couple na naglalakad sa hallway. At di ako nagkamali. They were J. Luis Prado and Cassandra Mendoza. J. Luis is now a Java programmer, and Cassandra, who is now a movie director, already directing her first international film. Hindi mo makakalain na sa CI sila nagmula.
So, nagkataon nga na parehas kami ng hotel ni Kay. Natuwa ako sa reunion vibes nila. Pagpasok ko sa lobby, bumungad sina Mr. Kenji Carino at Mr. Carl Del Carmen. Dati mga crush ng bayan, ngayon ay successful entrepreneurs na. That night, we all went to Disneyland. Nag-fireworks, tawanan, bonding. In the middle of it, Gail pointed out someone striking a fierce pose near the castle. Walang iba kundi si Attorney Flor Denisa Agan. Confident, fearless, and making waves in the legal world. Kasama niya si SPO4 Princess Lisa Viñano at SPO3 Razor Joy S. de la Cruz, pati rin si Zarel Ann Franco, isang certified public accountant, ay ng banker na si Miss Jamila Evangelista. Balik sa Pilipinas, sa airport, a tall, strong man caught my attention. It was Army Mark Harry de la Cruz. From varsity player to soldier real quick, balik mo naman, Lods. Kasama niya, sina Civil Engineer Gerald Ray Van Season, Civil Engineer Jake Brian Mejia, Civil Engineer John Wayne Escuesta, Electrical Engineer John Arnold T. Flores, and Mechanical Engineer Henry Maravilla. Ngayon, sila na ang isa sa mga pinakamagagaling na engineer sa Pilipinas. Kinabukasan, celebration time. Engagement party na ni Engineer Chris Daniel F. Tadeja, who finally proposed to her to his high school sweetheart. Sa party, pinara ko ni Chief General Asnani Akraman. Kala ko travel, yun pala, friendly kamustahan lang. Kasama niya sina SPO3 James Bennett Escuesta, SPO3 John Michael Esmo, SPO3 Neri Vinis Marcos, SPO3 Eugene Kabakungan, and SPO3 Jillian A. Takhoy. Proud defenders of peace. Pagdating sa party, rinig ko agad ang napakaingay na bunganga nila Engineer Cyrus J. Malictong, kasama niya si Engineer Leo C. Baguna, Engineer Mark Levi Kimura, at Engineer James Silent Inepere. Dating ML lang pag walang klase. Maganda na silang ngayon tago cellphone. Ngayon, magagaling na engineers na. Sila Manuel J. Andreas, Ford, J.M. Israelo, at John Antonio Clark Velasco, kilalang software developers na rin. Si Brent Kirby-Recto, top-notch automotive tech. Kasama pa ang mga dating absent kings, now electrical engineers, sila Engineer Angelo De Asis at Dan Michael Ortiz. Pati ang nag-iisang agri-engineer ng batch, si Engineer George Estrella. Sa likod ng party, may narinig akong familiar na sound. Ito ang tunog ng gitara ni Mr. Gian Fritz Villar. Playing the guitar as usual. Majamin-jamin lang kami ng dati. Ngayon, he's a famous musician. That passion, it never faded. Naalala ko tuloy ang katagang, the only way to do great work is to love what you do. Looking back, we were once dreamers, uncertain, naive, and hopeful. Now, we are achievers, grounded, driven, and proud. Titles and salaries aside, our real success is how we turn our dreams into reality, how we stay true to our passion, and how we carry each other along the way. And this is the story of ZI Senior High School Batch 2025.
A story
of perseverance, success, and a friendship that stood the test of time.
Thank you very much.